So here's how to allow TikTok to access contacts on Android. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the settings and simply find for the apps. There we go. So you need to open up the apps and then you can simply select the manage apps. This option can be different in different mobile phones, so don't worry about that. Just simply go with the apps, or you can simply select the TikTok application, like long press on it, and you will probably get the app info option. So you can definitely go either this way, or you can simply long press on the TikTok and go with the profile info. Alright, then right after that you need to select the app permissions. So go with the app permission, and then you need to scroll it down and find out the contacts. Like here is the contacts, select that one, and if you have selected the don't allow, you can select the allow option right over here to give the permission to the TikTok. So that's how you can simply allow access to the contacts. So that's how you can simply allow TikTok to access your contacts. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.